and welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. Today we're going to show you how to copy a meal plan that is in our software and then edit that plan to create a brand new meal plan that you can use for other clients. Hello, my name is Doug, and today I will be showing you how to copy a meal plan, make edits to it, and create a brand new meal plan. The ability to copy and create variations of our meal plans gives you three different advantages. First, you can expand the number of meal plans in your library. Second, it's a very easy way to create variations of meal plans. And lastly, you'll spend less time editing meal plans for a client because you'll have many options and variations. So let's get right to it. Go to Settings on the left menu, expand it, drop down to Nutrition, and choose Meal Plans. Choose the meal plan you wish to copy. Give it a new name, then choose Copy. And the reason you want to be able to copy a meal plan and edit it is so that you can create variations of existing meal plans. For example, you could copy the pescatarian meal plan and switch out different types of fish so that you could have different pescatarian meal plans with different fish offerings on main meals or lunches. Copying and making a variation of a meal plan can save you time and allow you to increase your meal plan options very quickly. So here's our sample meal plan 2. We choose Edit. This takes you to the basic meal plan page that will show you the plan values up here, day values, etc. To edit, simply choose Add Edit Foods. And here you could switch out bagels by choosing Delete. Next, you could search for egg. Increase the number as needed. Once you've finished with breakfast or whichever meal you opt to choose, you can move to the next one, change the snacks, change out your lunch, the afternoon snack, dinner, and the evening snack. You can also go to separate days and change any foods or edit what you have there. When finished, click Save and Back. You can also add additional days. You can also add meals. You can clone days, paste meals from other days, or randomize as well. Under More Actions, you can also copy meals, rename things, change the times and notes. When finished, click on Save. And now you will have your sample meal plan number 2 with all the edits and or changes that you made. Thanks for watching. If you're a current customer of ours, we hope this has made your job easier. If you're not a current customer and you're interested in Nutrition Maker software, we do offer a free 2-week trial. There's a link down below. No credit card required, no obligation. And finally, regardless of whether you're a customer or not, let us know in the comments below if there are any tutorials that you would like to see. And lastly, we would like to ask you to subscribe and click the like button. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.